Good morning all from another hot day here in Ibiza. So as you know, yesterday we were supposed to go to Formentera, but we couldn't get on the boat. We were denied boarding, so I had a little bit of an adventure around Ibiza. I'm going to do the same today, but over the west coast. The plan is to head to Cala, Condida, Cala, Cordola, and also to the secret cave. Picnic ready. It's going in the car. And we're heading to the west coast. So first stop, just called at the supermarket to get a bag of ice for the cool box. Social distancing still in place. We have got to wear our masks whenever we can and get 2 meters away from each other, which is quite a good thing. So I decided to come to Cala Cordola for the first stop, little swim stop. And I came here a couple of weeks ago when I was doing my beaches videos and really liked the look of it. So it was a quick rush with the drone last time I was here. So I thought I'd come back, chill out for a little bit. And it looks like there's still not many people here, which is a Saturday now. So even without tourists, it's the day all the locals go to the beach. There are quite a few steps to get down to it, but nothing you can't manage. Definitely worth it when you get down here. Show you the view rather than the steps. Whew, so talking of stairs, we've just got down to the bottom and Antonia and Raquel really like it here, so decided we're going to stay for a little while, which means we need the cool box out the car, which means I get nominated to walk back up the steps to get it. Woo. Good exercise though. It really is getting hot down here now. Been on the beach about an hour and it's about 2 o'clock now, so still hardly anyone here. A few times that I've been down to Cala Cordola, it's never been too busy. You might be able to see behind me, there's a few speedboats going past. Locals down here with the stand-up paddle boards and kayaks, which looks good fun. But I think it's time to go take it. Quite a cool little spot. Lots of little fish, little crabs, and it's not too far from the beach. But it's getting a bit cold now, it is cooler in here, so we're going to head back, dry off, maybe head to the next spot.
Now we go to Cala Condida.
Check out this view, absolutely amazing. It's Cala Condida, walking distance from Cala Conta. Normally there's a little bar down there. It's opening next week I believe, so I'm sure I'll be back down here for that. But yeah, almost like summer, lots of boats out, people down on the beach. Gonna go down there, get a spot, have some fun. It is pretty busy down here, but 2 lovely ladies were just leaving and gave us their spot on the beach. Also, they was going to empty the cool box full of ice out. Gave them to us. So we've got a spot on Cala Condida. Got the pasta salad. Gonna have that and go for a swim. Break and go try find a spot to use the drone, although I'm a little bit wary here because there's lots of naked people on the beach, and also the police drone was flying around about an hour earlier. Apparently Calabasa, which is just 10 minutes drive away, has been closed down because of overcrowding, so at least the police are on it. Let's hope they don't well, I'm allowed to use the drone, but just a little bit wary, that's all. Let's give it a try. So plans changed slightly. It was just too nice down at Cala Condida to leave. So we was going to head to a cave, but we'll save that for another day. Hope you're all enjoying these little videos. The idea is just to give those of you that haven't travelled to Ibiza before just a few ideas on what you can do while you're here. So can I just ask a favour, and if you do like the video, just give me a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button. And see you for the next video. So all in all, a great day. Ladies, did you have a good day? Adventure day number 2 done. Yeah, who needed Formentera this time? But we will get there one day.